Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. So today we are making the Peace soap by Morfosoaps, and this soap is called Peace because of the pigeons, the white pigeons that I used as embeds inside the soap to kind of look like a peaceful soap. Now let's start with the soap making. We started off by mixing off the batter with so we have the lye water solution. We added all the oils, butters, additives, everything together to create the batter, and then after we reach the emulsion we will split off. We have two colors in this soap and then the piping. So the first color on the bottom will be the green, which represents the grass, and then we have the blue color which represents the sky. So we will start by mixing the green, adding it into the mold, and then after that we wait for it to settle a little bit. We add the blue color on top, and inside the blue color we will have the two white pigeons made of soap, also inserted as embeds. Now this will be the last soap release for the month of September. So, and then with this one we will be ending the giveaway, which will be announced on the first Saturday next week of the month of October during the introductory video for the month of October. So we will announce the winner. So it's never too late. If you're not participated yet, you can still go back to the first video, because the condition is to interact with each video from the month of September. So 4 of them, by sharing, liking, and commenting. And then you submit your entry for the answer. What is the theme of the month based on those 4 soaps that we made? What do you think the theme is? Now send it to us, and if you get the chance to win, you will get 1 bar of each shipped out to your home address in the US and Canada. So as you can see, I poured the green, then the blue, and now I'm putting the pigeons or the doves. I believe they're called doves, the Peace doves. And after that I will continue pouring the rest of the batter on top, and then we will pipe the top with white piping to represent the clouds. So we have the green, the blue sky, then the doves flying in the sky, and then the clouds on top. So this is our soap for today, and that's the last soap for the month of September. Good luck for everyone who participated in the giveaway. I will announce the winner next week in the first video of the month of October. Stay tuned. Until then, take care of yourselves, stay safe, be positive, keep smiling, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.